Today I'm going to show you how to make these Bundy sponges. This sponge you can make just under 35 seconds. I know you won't believe me. Just walk with me. I will show you exactly how to do that. They are so soft, fluffy and easy to make. I'm using this cup to mix the batter. So 1 cup rice flour. With this batter we can make around 12 to 13 Bundy sponges. So, and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon yeast and quarter teaspoon salt and 3/4 cup sugar. I'm adding brown sugar. You can add any sugar to your desire, or treacle or maple syrup or any sugar substitute you can add to this to your taste. Adjust the taste to your preferred taste and give a quick mix here. Add 1 cup milk. So I'm adding 2% milk. You can add coconut milk or soya milk or any milk to your taste, or if you don't like milk you can finish it with water, no problem. So I'm here added 1 cup milk, and also I'm here adding another 1/3 cup of water. Can you see the consistency now? It's not very thick, it's not very light. It is somewhere in between, just like this. This is the consistency we are looking for this. Don't make it very thick, then it won't be nice. It is hard and like that. And also add a little bit of food coloring. I'm adding brown color here to get a nice color when we microwave this. This is something like golden color now, you see. And here we are going to add this Eno for this. So add half a teaspoon Eno. It's very nice if you can find unflavored, but I don't know if you cannot find unflavored, you can add anything, but I'm here adding just plain Eno without any flavors. So now you have to mix at least for 30 times like this. Give a good mix, and you don't have to ferment this batter. Now we are going to microwave this. So I'm using this silicone cup to microwave. So I'm putting this 1 cup in the microwave, and we are going to microwave it for 35 seconds. Hold on, don't go. It depends how big is the tray and how many minutes we are going to do. So just continue watching this. So this is 1 silicone cup just for 35 seconds. This is after 35 seconds. You can see it's so nice, fluffy and nice. This tray, you can see there are six cups. So this tray I'm going to put for 2 minutes and 10 seconds. This is also again a silicone tray. You can use the teacups also for this if you don't have anything to microwave. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. So I'm going to also microwave these 4 cups now. Here there are 4 cups. I'm going to microwave this. So I'm going to do that for 1 minute and 50 seconds. Can you see the time is vary from each other? So it's always depends how many cups you are putting, you know. So always add 10-15 seconds always if you're adding less. So adjust the time, and my setting is a high setting. So please just take that one to notice and adjust the timing always. So when you take out, let the cookies Bundy sponges rest at least for 10 minutes in the cups and trays, and you can see how soft they are, and they're so nice. You can see with the toothpick, you can do always. So when you put the toothpick, if you see it's still wet, you can put back in the microwave for another 5 seconds, no problem. You can put it back again, and also you can store this in the fridge for 5-6 days, 10 days, no problem. Then you take and microwave, it is back to normal and soft and nice like this again. So give it a try. Let me know your feedback. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this. Give this a try and let me know your feedback. Thank you so much, and have a good day to everybody. Enjoy Bundy sponges. Bye bye to all.